Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data roaming. First, understand that data roaming allows your phone to connect to a foreign network. Before you travel, always check your current mobile plan for international roaming options and associated costs. It's wise to contact your provider to activate this service on your account. Many providers offer international data packages that can significantly reduce your expenses, often providing several gigabytes for a fixed price. Next, let's prepare your device. Ensure your phone's data roaming setting is enabled, usually found under cellular data options. To conserve your valuable data, turn off automatic app updates and background app refresh. Before you leave, download any maps, music, or videos you might need offline. This simple step can save you hundreds of megabytes. Always prioritize using secure Wi-Fi networks for data-intensive activities like streaming. While abroad, actively manage your data usage. Regularly monitor your consumption through your phone settings or your carrier's mobile application. Setting data limits on your device can prevent unexpected overage charges, which can be quite costly, sometimes $20 per gigabyte. Be especially mindful of high data activities such as video calls or uploading many photos. Exploring a local SIM card or an eSIM can often provide more affordable data rates. Finally, some best practices for a smooth roaming experience. Remember that data roaming is separate from international calls and texts, which may have different rates. Always connect to secure Wi-Fi networks, especially when handling sensitive information like banking. Upon returning home, carefully review your mobile bill to ensure all charges are accurate. Keeping your phone's software updated also ensures optimal performance and security while traveling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.